Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video on utility coins, guys. This is group 5 of our discussions. In this group, we discuss Chainlink, Render Network, Verasity, Azero, and Morpheus Network, guys. So it's going to be an interesting video. Make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems. So if you're interested, do subscribe for regular videos. So folks, let us begin with our first coin, which is Chainlink. Let us see what updates it has for us and what discussions it has. Let us look at the official X handle of Chainlink to see what Chainlink has been up to. Can we get new discussions from the official X handle? This is Chainlink. Chainlink is the decentralized computing platform powering the verifiable web. It was basically started as an oracle is basically connecting the entire blockchains and the financial system, guys. This is becoming huge for the future. This is a really great project based on interoperability and tapping into great markets. So this is November 9th. We discussed this. Chainlink Staking V0 version 0.2 is launching this year. We discussed this in our last video. Do check it out if you're interested in staking. Do check their website and see how you can get a priority migration and early access and general access in detail. This is 2 hours ago. Blockchain technology is powering an epochal transformation in global finance. And basically, Chainlink is in the midst of them all. It is one of those projects, guys. Why on-chain finance is inevitable. An industry brief on the next generation of capital markets infrastructure. Let us check out this blog of Chainlink. Let us just skim through it. New report why on-chain finance is inevitable. This is a big report. You guys can check it out. You guys can download the report. So check it out. Tokenized assets, growth from today's level if tokenization reaches the more aggressive estimate of 42% of global GDP by 2030, guys. 16x growth from today's level, 70x. Other financial assets, bonds, investment funds, other real world assets, 29.9%, equities, 24.3%, home equity. Tokenized assets are digital tokens stored on chain. Early adopters can take advantage of multi-$100 trillion opportunity, guys. $867 trillion of value in traditional markets poised for disruption by tokenization. This is by none other than World Economic Forum, guys. And this was back in 2021. And now the tokenization is gaining steam. We've discussed it in our various videos. You guys can check that out. ATX expected growth rate of tokenization in private markets by 2030, guys. Great. 97% of institutional investors agree that tokenization will revolutionize asset management. This was from Citi. This was 2023, and this by BNY, Mellon, and Kelland, 2022, guys. So 97% is basically it is the entire institutional industry, guys. Smart contracts, smarter markets. So yeah, this is a really good article. You guys can check this out in detail. Seamless interoperability for global liquidity. Chainlink, the gateway to on-chain finance. Now this is Chainlink in focus. Chainlink is the industry-leading Web3 services platform and gateway to on-chain finance for banks, asset managers, and other financial services companies, guys. It has successfully enabled over 7.7 trillion plus in transaction value for blockchain applications across a multi-year history of high uptime and tamper-proof security, guys. So Chainlink, as I told you guys, this is becoming the hub of interoperability, which is connecting basically the Web3 with Web2. This is a really, really good project, guys. Do check it out. Financial institutions are involved. Financial institutions can use Chainlink's abstraction layer to easily and securely access both public and private blockchain networks using their existing systems. It is also decentralized. The networks are decentralized. So this is one of the projects that are truly gaining steam. And it is in the upcoming time, guys, I think it is going to be growing in value as well. tremendously, but do your own due diligence and research, guys. In my opinion, Chainlink is a great bet for the future. Chainlink price feeds deliver the hyper-reliable, highly accurate, and decentralized price data needed to power on-chain finance. So the price feeds and data delivery of Chainlink is top-notch, guys. Integrate the USD price feed on Linea build to build secure DeFi markets around Circle's US dollar-backed stablecoins. So the data it is a great data provider. Chainlink, obviously, the Chainlink network wasn't designed to replace existing infrastructure, but to integrate with it. Now I'll add to this, guys, to change or revolutionize an already well-established structure that has taken decades, not decades, but centuries to evolve. This financial system has taken centuries to evolve. Breaking away from it is not feasible, nor is it easy. So, the best case scenario and realistic approach is to integrate and optimize it. And the coins that we usually discuss are optimizing the already established infrastructure, guys. Do check this video out on how Chainlink is doing it. Chainlink CCIP, cross-chain interoperability protocol. Check it out. Financial institutions, empty with sign messages, Swift. This is Chainlink, Chainlink CCIP, destination blockchain, blockchain events, source blockchain, signed blockchain message and metadata. Chainlink is in the midst of them all. Do check out Chainlink. It is a really promising project, guys. It has already performed really good and it is primed to perform well in the upcoming times as well. So, this was basically our discussion on Chainlink. Check this out: infrastructure and building blocks, blockchain, smart contracts, applications of that infrastructure. Web3 could reduce the operational cost to deliver banking services by 15 to 25%, guys, according to Binance Company survey respondents in a recent article. So, uh, blockchain is basically optimizing and enhancing these financial institutions, these companies, guys. So it is great. Let us now, guys, move on to our next coin from this group, which is Render Network, guys. Let us see the official X handle of Render to check out what Render Network has been up to. The Render Network connects artists looking to render next generation 3D media with near unlimited GPUs in a decentralized global network. So AI GPUs next Render Network. This is 13 hours ago. Check out today's Medium post for details on eligibility and reward calculations under RNP 006. Learn how render tokens will be distributed to render network nodes in partnership with IONET_official. Register for render network's waitlist. This is the renderfoundation.com. This is the last tweet in the thread. It is good that they always post that this is the last tweet in this thread so that scammers do not get an opportunity. Register for render network's waitlist. Let us check this out. So this is the waitlist. The render network provides near real-time rendering using a decentralized GPU processing model to meet users' increasing GPU compute needs. Guys, as you know, GPU is extremely high in demand, and the render is basically optimizing the GPU needs. It has an entire network based on it, both for current 3D rendering tasks and for emerging AI applications. Have GPUs and want to earn render? You are in the right place. This is the new waitlist. If you were already on the waitlist, you do not need to update this, so you guys can check this out. You guys have to write your name, your email if you're interested, guys. The render network is ready to start adding open commute nodes for external client jobs by the first client, io.net. So do check it out, guys, if you're interested. Let us move on. This is 22 hours ago. Heads up, the OTY Treasury wallet will be making a transfer into the Render Foundation wallet to fund the second tranche of a loan to a network liquidity provider. The amount will be 22 million render. Okay, please reach out on Telegram or Discord with any questions. This is the second part of this update from August. Heads up, later this week we will be making a transfer from O2I's treasury wallet into a new foundation treasury wallet. This will be to fund an initial batch of community grants, guys. So basically they're transferring from O2I's treasury wallet into the new foundation wallet for community grants. That's cool. For a guide on using Nation and voting with Render SPL tokens, please see. This is the Medium article. I think we've already checked this out on our last piece on Render. Yeah, I think so. Next generation cloud service for LLMs and generative AI. 40 hours left to vote on RNP 007. What's RNP 007? How do I vote using render SPL tokens and or on snapshot using RNDR or ERC token? Do check it out, the Medium article. The Render Network is hosting an AMA session today at 11 a.m. PST with the FedML underscore AI. You guys can check it out. I think it has this is a bit of a no old news, November 14th. So yeah, guys, this was it for Render Network on the discussion on what it is doing. Now, guys, let us move on ahead to our third coin. Let us look at what is community saying about VRA. Instead of going to the X handle official, let us look at the community. What is community saying about Veracity, guys? As you all know, they've tackled the tokenomics question as well. I'm making a video on the tokenomics in a while. I'm going to be posting it, so do check that out as well. So guys, Veracity is there are 8 compelling reasons why Veracity Tech is poised to become a $2 billion giant minimum in the ad tech industry. So this seems to be a good post. So the 8 reasons are, guys, if you're interested in VRA and why VRA is a good bet for investing, this can be a good thread. Check it out. Dominating market figures in a $118.3 billion digital ad market. Veracity's innovative POV tech sets it apart, promising a transformative era. Guys, as you know, their tech is patented in a lot of states, so this gives them that competitive edge as well. Regional prowess, VRA POV patent. Yeah, this is patent. POV patent covers major economies, laying the foundation for a global shift in digital advertising, guys. You guys know there are a lot of ad frauds and a lot of money is lost in advertising. So these new techs are going to be needed in the upcoming times because even small uh, irregularity in the ads industry is becomes too huge, guys. The small numbers become big. Programmatic advertising evolution, with programmatic ads set to be 82% of revenue by 2027. Veracity's POV tech redefines standards, adding a personalized touch. European digital ad search amid a 9.8% surge in Europe's digital ad spend. Veracity's POV tech aligns seamlessly, enhancing advertising experiences. Token burn and community focus. Veracity's strategic token burn, community consultation, and focus on commercial adoption showcase its commitment to value creation and agile growth. So, guys, if you do not already know, Veracity's coins are deflationary. It is going to be, aside from the fact that it would have its utility and use case in the ads industry, advertisement industry, the tokens are deflationary as well. There are going to be token burns as well, guys. So this is yet another reason Veracity is a good bet. Number 6, market leadership, outperforming in social impact, engagement, and social volume. Veracity consistently secures top spots on Lunar Crush Alt rank. Yeah, I've seen it time and again on Lunar Crush. Veracity performs good there. And it is a combination of social impact, engagement, and volume. 7, anti-fraud technology, guys. Veracity's patented blockchain module Veraviews combats ad fraud by preventing bot activity and detecting invalid traffic, boosting advertiser trust. So the technology is going to be detecting bot activity and the money the advertisers spend on advertisements. They're lost in the on the way. So Veracity Tech is going to be optimizing the entire process. So on a micro level, it is really great. This is a real use case. It is revolutionary, guys. And before we go on to eight point, let me add another one as well, guys. Veracity also aims to be concerned with the esports as well, guys. So esports, as you guys know, is becoming big. There are a lot of Taken tournaments and other games that Verasity might be involved in the future, and they might have their own e-commerce esports platform basically. And esports is going to be huge. It is already huge, and combining blockchain with esports is going to be giving it a new paradigm and a new life as well. So this is the eighth or the ninth one as well. Let me add POV marker token migration, guys. As you already know, I'm making a video on this as well. POV marker token migration is already on the work, and it also impacted the price of VRA in a positive manner. Actively seeking alternative blockchains for the migration of 90 billion proof of Q tokens amplifies Veracity's commitment to innovation. The 90 billion coins that marker tokens are bound to migrate as well. So this also builds the confidence of investors. So what did I miss? There are other one of the other factors is one of the other things is the community. So yeah, you person like Wolf of Blockchain, you're the reason as well. The community is really good providing us information like this. This is also a good sign. Let me bookmark this and like it, as well as let me repost it. So guys, I really like this one. So yeah, guys, this was a really good insight on VRA, guys. This was a really productive discussion on VRA. It was good. VRA is still aiming for this to play out in the short term. There is no reason VRA shouldn't continue its bullish trend, and I agree. It will. The RSI has cooled down because it consolidated for a long time, guys. It went to 0.004 levels. RSI has cooled down. Formation still intact. Volume slowing down during each correction phase. So yeah, it might go and have its leg up. There is no reason it's not going to be having a leg up. Like and RT if you want Binance to list VRA, guys. So you guys can like it if you want Binance to list VRA. Anyways, guys, let us now move on ahead with our four coin. Veracity discussion was extremely productive. I really enjoyed it. Let us now look on towards alephzero, guys, our fourth coin for this group. Let us check it out. As you guys know, alephzero is extremely high on privacy, guys. Built fast, stay private, powered by Azero, and it is tapping into the enterprise sector as well. So let us see what news we have. alephzero reposted. Open by C Game Studio and multi-chain NFT auction. Okay, auction, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, hooray. Thrilled to announce that MotoDex is now live on the alephzero mainnet. With the EFP support, we've deployed a game to showcase the alephzero's speed and scalability features, race into the future of decentralized gaming. So this is good. alephzero is getting involved with the gaming sector. And guys, the metaverse trend is going to be uh, coming as well, in my opinion. The AI narrative was building up, RWA narrative came, and the metaverse narrative has slowed down to an extent. But in my opinion, it would come yet again, and it is going to be huge, much bigger than the last one, because this time around, instead of the scams and the play to earn games, the good projects are going to be taking the the spotlight basically. So yeah, it is good that alephzero is involved in the gaming sector and the gaming stuff. Big news for all Azero enthusiasts: introducing the alephzero Telegram alerts app. So if you're interested in alephzero alerts, guys, so check this out. Alerts for wallets, staking events, and validators. Integrated web app to fully leverage Telegram capabilities. Funded by alephzero EFP. EFP MS1 achieved, guys. Set up your wallet and your alerts. So let us check this out, guys.
Activity 2. You can also set up alerts for your validator and instantly get notified about any downtime events. With this app, you will also ride the alephzero waves like a pro. With whale alerts, you will be in the know about major transfers and significant staking events happening in the network, all in real time. And with price alerts, you can always stay up to date on top of the latest market movements. You will receive a ping the second it hits your desired price. This is the alephzero Alerts Bot, a Telegram app brought to you by Azero.live and made available through the alephzero Ecosystem Funding Program. Try it out now.
So this is good, an official alerts app, guys. Basically, you guys can get news of staking events and validators and other stuff. You guys can check it out. So yeah, if you're interested, to check it out. If you're interested in alephzero alerts, guys. This is 21 hours ago. We're taking a leap into open source, unveiling our first smart contract written in pure ink underscore lang, presenting a pre-audit release of our first contract utilized for our open source government platform, Appboard, developed on alephzero. There are a lot of these projects being developed on alephzero, and this look at this clean, slick image, guys. This is so cool. This is alephzero symbol, DeFi. This is really cool. Get a first look at our uh, PSP 3.4 implementation, our unique spin on the NFT standard, drawing inspiration from brilliant minds at Cardinal. One more thing, guys, NFT trend is also it would also come, but this time there are going to be use cases, proper use cases of NFTs instead of just ape images, guys. What's inside PSP 34 NFT ERC 721 equivalent with added features, facilitate cross-chain contract interactions, customizable PSP 34 logic for diverse project needs. As we gear up for an audit, we invite you to explore and experiment. So this is good, guys. There are alephzero is developing at a great space, so this is good. This was a good update, in my opinion, on alephzero as well, as we saw various projects being developed on it, and the ecosystem is growing. Good news for alephzero enthusiasts. Anyways, guys, now let us head on towards our last coin of this group. And now let us see what Morpheus Network has been up to. This is Morpheus Network, guys. It is transforming and revolutionizing supply chain. It is integrating with the legacy systems and transforming it, enhancing it via the, the DLT and blockchain technology. MNW is intensely focused on helping companies and governments eliminate inefficiencies and remove barriers to optimize and automate supply chains, guys. So this is November 11th. Their pinned post. We have an all-new improved server worthy of the best blockchain-powered supply chain software in the industry. Join to access our wikis, white paper, and tech support for masternodes, or just talk shop with other super smart developers. Guys, one masternode of Morpheus Network is 1,800 tokens, I think. So if we check out the current price of MNW, let me open it. $1.29. So you guys can calculate how much tokens you guys can, what price do you need to have 1,800 tokens. Let me just calculate it for you guys. 1,800 times 1.2, 1.23. So approximately $2,214 at the time of the recording, guys. So, and in my opinion, it has good incentive to have a master node, but be careful that having a master node requires a good connection, and you have to be online, and all of those stuff you guys can explore it yourself. This is 17 hours ago. Come on into the pool. The water, if great, is great. Okay, or if great. Discord.com. They've got their Discord handle as well. Do check it out. This is 22 hours ago. Transforming the Internet of Things landscape. Read our newest feature on how Verizon's Internet of Things solutions are reshaping supply chains worldwide, from smart cities to autonomous tech. Learn about their global impact. Guys, Internet of Things is going to be a great narrative in the future as well. We've discussed it in our IOTA videos as well. Internet of Things is going to be huge, and I really like that Morpheus Network shares this good pieces and good articles. Let us just skim around it and see what they're saying, because I think we've seen this we checked this out on our last video. Yeah, I think so. So let us look at their latest uh, article, Elevating Supply Chain Connectivity, Verizon's impact on the Internet of Things landscape. You guys can check this out in detail yourselves. That we are just going to be skimming through this. IoT technologies have inaugurated an era of interconnected devices ranging from smart meters and wearables to industrial sensors and autonomous vehicles. Internet of Things is going to be huge. Global reach and reliability, the strengths of cellular Internet of Things, scalability, security, and efficiency, core attributes of cellular Internet of Things, IoT. Cool. Cost effectiveness and real-time data, enhancing IoT deployments. Verizon's role in smart infrastructure. Verizon collaborates closely with cities to develop infrastructure, systems, and processes that enhance service provision in cost-effective ways. This is great, embracing the future with Verizon's Internet of Things innovations. In conclusion, Verizon is not just participating in the Internet of Things revolution, it is leading it with its expansive global reach, unparalleled reliability, and commitment to innovation. Verizon is setting new standards in the world of cellular Internet of Things connectivity, guys. Morpheus network, guys, is basically involved in a lot of sectors, and basically supply chain deals with a lot of things, guys. So Morpheus network is really undervalued in my opinion at this point of time, and it is one of the most underrated coins in the market because I do not see enough hype surrounding Morpheus network in the time. But slow and steady wins the race because they've been developing, they've been building partnerships, their tech is great. In my opinion, Morpheus network is going to be huge in the upcoming times. So this is Morpheus Network's brief introduction. Morpheus Networks is intensely focused on helping companies and government organizations eliminate inefficiencies and remove barriers to optimize and automate enterprise supply chain operations, guys. So yeah, guys, check this out. The companies they're working with DHL, FedEx, Telefonica, Marsh, Swift, and more. In my opinion, this is a great bet, but do your own due diligence and research on Morpheus Network as well as the other coins we discussed. This was it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in our other coins as well and other potential gems, do subscribe as well. And do not forget to hit the bell notification for reminders. And like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.